Hello everyone, for this part of the problem we are required to find the length of the line segment MN, and this is what Mr. Tan would write. I will have my x1, y1, x2 and y2, and knowing that the formula for the equation of the line is square root of x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Then it is very easy for us to do because we now are able to just substitute neatly the values for my x1, y1, x2, y2. Alright, so it will be 3 minus, if it is negative I will have to put a bracket, square plus 7 minus 5. After which I just need to press my calculator and I will get my answer as 4.4721, about 5 to 6 significant figures followed by 3 significant figure, 4.47 units to 3SF. Alright, and we are done with this question. Let's move on to the next example.